And then I want to show you this outdoor area. Beautiful outdoor area. We have an outdoor kitchen, fireplace for some those cold nights and for a look. These shutters come down to make this all private. That's like a garage door. It comes down also. They're hurricane shutters. And we spin around here and we see really nice area here. Here we go. She's shutting it so we can see it. So that comes down really nicely there, and that happens all the way around here to make it all hurricane safe, and it also helps with a lot of security. Beautiful pool, screened in enclosure. They take a lot of pride in making these outside areas beautiful. That's a fire pit with a different style waterfall. And then we'll come around here so you can see it from this direction. It's just awesome. And we'll leave it right there, and then I'm going to show you the